I eat so much and I just can't gain weight is a problem that I hear all of the time. Here is your solution. So, for instance, you're on 3,000 calories per day in order for you to gain weight, which is the equivalent of 21,000 calories per week. Day 1 to 6, right? 2,000, 2,500, 3,200, so you're over your calories here. 2,500, 2,000, and then you're hitting your calories on day 6 and day 7, 3,000 each day, and that equates to 18,200 calories. So in reality, you are actually under your calories for that full week, and you're convincing yourself that you're eating so much because a few days out of the week you're eating shit tons, and then a few days you're just not eating enough. Now, how do you fix that? Go into Calorie Calculator on Google or Safari, put in your height, weight, activity level, figure out your calories, add on 300 to 500 depending on how skinny you are, download MyFitnessPal, stick the calories in there, and track every fucking day. Do this and you won't miss. You will be guaranteed to gain weight.